and you were saying that Whisper is heading to the first team. So are we supposed to expect Whisper to be playing alongside Raheem Sterling, Kai Havertz, Pulisic, those type of players? Enzo Fernandez. Greetings, sports fans. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm joined today by former KLS resident analyst. Used to be on every Sunday pretty much on this radio show talking about football. Well-rounded when it comes to football. Steve, what's up, man?
What's up, Eddie? It's been a while, man. I see you on top of the league, man.
Yeah, I'm here, man. I'm chilling. Doing well. But let's touch on the topic. Persons click on this video because they want to know what's next for Dujuan Whisper Richards. As we all know, the world knows he signed a pre-contract with Chelsea. I know we are awaiting the move to Chelsea. I believe we will go travel to Chelsea when he's 18. So around a couple months now, 3 months now, or so, 4 months. And we want to know, where will he fit in? Will he be in the first team, Stephen? Under 21 or the under 18. A lot of persons they're not really sure. I heard Craig Butler on KLS on an interview with Zidane, and he was saying that Whisper is heading to the first team. So are we supposed to expect Whisper to be playing alongside Raheem Sterling, Kai Havertz, Pulisic, those type of players? Enzo Fernandez. I'm not so certain, because when I did my research, I went to SofaScore. And you guys can check that. Not SofaScore. I went to Transfermarkt. And we all know that is very credible when it comes out to transfer movements with players across the world. And I see Dujuan Whisper Richards, Phoenix Academy, to Chelsea, U18. So I don't know what went wrong there. Is he really going to the first team or U18? But that's another conversation. Think what you mean. But Steve, what do you think about the move, and what are your hopes, for Whisper? I know it was always difficult to break into Europe. He's now in Europe, and I think all the doors are now open. Opportunities are there. He can stay at Chelsea, he can go on loan with another team. What say you?
Oh yeah. So for me, the fact that he not only break into Europe, but got into a club like Chelsea, who is known for scouting real good talents, as the likes of Mohamed Salah, Kevin De Bruyne, just to name a couple who have done well over the past close to decades and so. But the fact that he's not only breaking to Europe, but going to Chelsea, that shows that he not only has quality, but they see him as somebody who's possible could play a part for them for their club in the future. To me, the downside for that is that Chelsea are known to also recruit talent and have them go on loan or whatnot, develop with other clubs all over the globe. So either way, he's either going to stay at the club, develop, or he's going to go out on loan and also develop. That could be a good thing. He might fast forward his development, playing, I don't know, maybe in Germany or Sweden, or even is still in England, whatever. But the main thing is that the fact that he was not only identified and brought over to the club shows not only good skills and talent for him, but for what we can produce here in our country, Jamaica. So it's a good look for not only him, his family, Phoenix Academy, but it's also a good look for the Jamaican Football Federation. So I'm looking forward to see where this goes from now. But he seems like a so far a level-headed person who will put his head down and put in the work. So let's hope for the best and see where it goes.
Yeah, and fans, I don't want you to think that if he doesn't make the A team, that it's all doom and gloom. There's still hope for Whisper. It's not going to be easy. We know that Omari Hutchinson was in the under 21 for Chelsea. He made one appearance for the A team, first team, and now he's back with the academy. So it's not easy, and he's, as you know, he's a step above Whisper. No matter what you may think, he's 19. Was at Arsenal before, made Arsenal first team, was on the bench for numerous occasions. Arteta was willing to put him in the Europa League squad. So the type of player Whisper Omari is. So there's still hope, and he's signed a 3-year plus 2. So 3-year guarantee with a possibility of adding another 2 years. So worst case, he's at Chelsea for 5 years. Let's hope that he'll be able to develop and either matriculate.
Worst case at Chelsea for 3 years. Worst case at Chelsea for 3 years. 3
years, yes, because the 2 is not really guaranteed. So worst case, you're right. Worst case, 3 years. Let's hope that he can develop and matriculate into the first team. If not,
but
go to another.
Even if he doesn't succeed at Stamford Bridge, the fact that he was in that system and identified as a future talent for them goes well for his future, just in case he has that resume. So in case he wants to go to another club, his agents would probably have no problem finding another club for him.
Yeah, that's right. So final thoughts on Whisper, Steve.
Good talent, excited young talent, going places as we see him. But just hope he keeps working, putting his the work in, and the sky's the limit.
All right, folks, there you have it, another one. I want to thank Steve. Steve, what's the IG?
Scorpio Poppy 88.
All right, folks, you can go over there and give him a follow. You see me? All right, that is it, folks. Another one. Again, if you like the video, like the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and drop a comment as well. This is Eddy Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Now go see me after this, my father. Gone.
All right.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddy Vision. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.